In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then, if you wish to use it, click on the top left corner and copy or cut any text. Now to paste it, tap on it on the top of your keyboard or click on Clipboard and click on it over here. To pin one of your added sentences, use this pin at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and hit Done. To delete one of them, click on this pin instead of a pin. Click on your chosen text and select Delete at the top right corner again. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!